Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Leopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the macro lens on your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. So what you have to do first is open your camera app. From here, tap on more. Now select macro from here, and as you can see you have just opened the macro lens. Now all you have to do is check your object and then put it under the camera lens, and as you can see here we can get really close to the object and then we can capture all the details. So let me take a photo, and now if I take another object, you can see that we can get really close to the object and still not lose focus, which is the beauty of the macro lens. And that is how you can use the macro lens on your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.